Wallapapoodle? How do you say that?
Plain it Wallapadoodaloozy!
Wallapapoodle Google? Ugh.
I think your tongue got stuck, Sam!
Look, my tongue is stuck. Stella! Whoa! Stella, my tongue is stuck.
Let me see. Oh, definitely stuck. How did it happen?
I was trying to say Wallapapoodle-oo.
He was trying to say Wallapadoodle-oozy.
What's a Wallapadoodle-oozy?
It's a planet in outer space. Whoa! This is just what it looks like on planet Wallapadoodle-oozy. Here, look, Sam.
Whoa. This is what it looks like on planet Papapoodle-oozy.
Uh-oh. Let me see your tongue, Sam. Oh, it's stuck again. But that's okay, Sam. I know someone who can fix it.
Who?
The Parrot Queen.
Who's that?
The Parrot Queen?
She lives deep in the jungly jungle. She can make squirrels roar like lions and hippos sing like birds.
Really?
Yup. Come on, we'll catch the next train to the jungle.
Whoa, I love trains. Woo, woo.
All aboard! Now I hope you all have your tickets.
Fred, do you have your ticket?
Well, our next stop is the jungly jungle. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Choo, choo.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Choo, choo.
Attention visitors. We are about to enter the jungly jungle. Please remember to keep your hands, feet, and paws inside the train at all times. You don't want to get caught by a toe-nibbling pansy.
Toe-nibbling pansies.
Whoa, not my toes. Ah! Stella, how do we know if we see the Parrot Queen?
She has big, googly eyes on the back of her head.
Why?
So she can see when she walks backwards.
I have eyes on the back of my head too, Owen.
You look funny, Sam.
Why did the train stop, Stella?
Because of that.
It's a frog. Hello, frog.
That's no ordinary frog, Owen. It's a guard frog.
A guard frog?
The guard frog protects the jungly jungle. He only lets jungly people through. Quick, do something jungly.
How do we be jungly?
Well, you could slither like a snake. Or climb like a monkey.
Me first. Look at me. I'm jungly. I'm okay.
I wonder if Owen was jungly enough. Guess not. Your turn, Sam. Sam?
I'm up here, Stella. See, Stella? I climbed like a monkey.
Very jungly, Sam.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at Fred.
Fred's jungly too.
Super duper jungly. He's hunting for jungle bugs.
Stella, I think the guard frog just said that you have to do something jungly.
I know. I'll do the jungliest jungle call he's ever heard. Squawk, 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 squawk.
Whoa.
Look, the guard frog is gone. That means we can enter the jungle. We did it!
We did it, Fred.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All aboard! Chugga, 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 chugga.
Woo, woo.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Woo, woo.
This is the deepest part of the jungly jungle. There are weird and wonderful creatures here.
Stella, I think there's something over there.
Oh, yes. That's a pink-nosed panther.
Does it nibble toes?
No toes. But she will give you a big wet-nosed panther kiss.
Whoa. No, Fred. Stay here, or you're gonna get a wet nose kiss.
All aboard!
You know what? I saw a pink-nosed panther on Planet Walpadoodle.
I want to go to Walpadoodle Lost again.
Don't worry, Sam. The Parrot Queen will fix it. We made it! This is the parrot tree. And the Parrot Queen has to be here somewhere.
You know what? I could be a parrot king. She has eyes in the back of her head.
I am the Parrot Queen. Why have you come to see me?
Oh, I'm trying to say Walpadoodle. It always gets stuck.
I will grant you parrot power. First, we must dance and repeat after me. Walla!
Walla!
Ha!
Ha!
Doodle!
Doodle!
Oozy!
Oozy!
And again!
Walla! Pa!
Doodle! Oozy! Faster!
Walla! Pa!
Doodle! Oozy!
Walla! Pa!
Doodle! Oozy! I give you parrot power! Now say it, Sam. Wallapadoodle-oozy!
Wallapadoodle Elsie!
You did it!
I can say it! I can say it! Wallapadoodle Elsie!
Congratulations, Sam. Your parrot power is strong. And now, the Parrot Queen must return to her tree. Goodbye, Sam. Goodbye, Owen.
Bye! Bye, Parrot Queen, thanks!
Say it again, Sam.
Wallapadoodle Elsie! Wallapadoodle Elsie!
Hey, your tongue isn't stuck, Sam.
Nope, because I have parrot power!
Yeah, me too.
How did you get parrot power?
We did this dance. Walla walla, pa, doodle doodle, oozy oozy,
Whoa!
ooh. Wallapadoodle oozy.
Yeah! Like that!
Amazing.
Now Sam can say it just like me.
Wallapadoodle Elsie!
I knew the Parrot Queen would help you, Sam. Come on, everyone, let's go home.
Wallapadoodle oozy. I got parrot power. I can roar.
Wow, you sound like a lion.
I know.
And now you sound like Fred.